Discover the secret to timeless beauty and lasting health with DG Worldwide's powerful duo, Dijon and Dragon. Dijon is a premium botanical beverage infused with hand-harvested Hokkaido cherry blossoms and advanced collagen peptides. It reduces wrinkles, restores youthful skin, brightens your complexion, and strengthens hair and nails beauty that shines from within. Dragon is the ultimate anti-aging breakthrough powered by stem cell innovation. It regenerates cells, repairs organs, boosts immunity, and slows down aging, keeping your body strong, vibrant, and youthful. Together, Dijon and Dragon give you radiant skin, renewed energy, and a healthier, younger you. Experience wellness redefined with DG Worldwide.
DC Wave technology, taking you there. Transform your life, let the good vibes flow. Health and wealth, watch your spirit grow. Earn your rewards, let the journey start with Denji. You'll play your part.